Hey everybody, it's Grant, and today, as you can see, we stocked up on our Hidden Fate tins, and this will allow me to be able to finish our Hidden Fate beer tower that we've been creating for the longest time. Also, we have this awesome package that we got from one of the Steve Aoki pack pulls. Kayla started to open it, but left the rest of it for us, and I can't wait to get into this, and we have some really cool announcements that I know you're gonna enjoy. So, without further ado, let's get ripping. So in today's video, we are going to be doing not one, two, but three Charizard tins for Hidden Fates. And you know, what better way to pull a Charizard than a Charizard tin? Now, I actually think it's proven the opposite about that, but these are the most collectible tins for Hidden Fates and somewhat shape or form. They go for like $80, $90 online, which is crazy. This is an investment channel. I ended up getting these tins for $25 a tin, which is still over retail, but pretty fair. I didn't go and steal them from the local Target. Somebody was botting, I met with them online, and we talked about doing a bulk deal. So I did not take your supply. I took money out of the botter's hands, because that way they can't go on and make $80 per tin. They only made a couple dollars per tin, right? So let's take one more look at the crazy Pokemon pile I had going on with the Hidden Fate tins. So I ended up buying, I think it was like 193 tins, 197, something like that. You know, once again, if you are able, do a bulk deal, and it definitely helps out, but please don't judge me for it. I did this to open them and maybe save a few in the future, but I'm definitely gonna open them and complete our Pokemon beer tower that we just showed you earlier in the video. All right, so now that we got our packs open, you can see we have our three beautiful the Charizards, and we got some code cards right here. All right, there you go. Sad, I bet you I could sell these. I think they sell for like either 25 cents a card or like $1 a card in some cases. And then of course we have all of our packs. I'm only one opening today, so gonna just kind of start pulling from whichever way. Also, I do want to cover a few things. So one, we just hit 77,000 subscribers. So now we are over 77,000 subscribers. Thank you so very much for all the support, all the likes, all the comments, and all the positivity that you bring each and every week when I drop these videos. Also, I want to do a giveaway. So I'm dropping this on a non-Mr. Beast video and a few Mr. Beast videos. So I want to do a $1,000 giveaway either when we hit 80,000 subscribers or 90,000 subscribers. Now we're really close to 80. I would prefer 90. So let me know if you like that. If it is close, I'm going to go with 90 because I really think we should give ourselves a little bit of a goal. And also don't forget, we have the Steve Aoki package that we're going to be unboxing at the very end or somewhere in this video. So without further ado, let's see if we can get that beautiful, majestic beast, Charizard. All right. Another thing too, I'm gonna be, I think it's 4-card trick. Let's see. Yeah. All right. So another thing that we're gonna be having in, let me actually turn this. There we go. So another thing we're actually gonna be doing is that a lot of the videos you're about to be seeing from the Pokemon pulls, Jigglypuff, Staryu. Oh, look at that sick Magneton. Wow, look at that Magneton. Magneton shiny. And we got a Clefable. I have like 900 Clefables. But yeah, that's awesome. So one thing I do want to cover with you, sorry, lost my train of thought. What is going to be happening is I'm going to be running some older Pokemon videos that I made. I made so many Pokemon videos that I wasn't able to keep up. So because this is an investment channel, and even though I do believe Pokemon is a really cool investment, I do want to make sure I'm giving you your fair share of investment knowledge. Psychic energy right there. Let's see, do I predict we'll have a Charizard? But you're going to be seeing some older Pokemon videos, and we have a bunch of mega pulls in that, and I know you're not going to be disappointed. All right, reverse holographic Snorlax, we got something cool. We got something cool. All right, so just keep in mind, you're going to be seeing some old ones, but we went through so many eBay packages, so many really cool things because I was going absolutely nuts on Pokemon. I still am. Like, this has not gotten smaller. This is not going to get smaller. Hey, you got a Jesse and James full art shiny. I like it. I like it. I like it. I really enjoy the shiny cards from Hidden Fates. I think it is the best set they have released. I think it's better than Evolutions. I think it's better than any of the newer sets. And of course, you know, nothing will beat my Rocket addiction for Wizards of the Coast style. So that is always going to be my baby. 4-card trick. All right, let's see here. So we got Koga's Trap, Misty's Cerulean Gem, Lieutenant Surge, Clefairy. We got Staryu, Jigglypuff, Snake. We got to Rock Guy. And I actually really like these energy cards. We don't get a lot of them, and it looks like, hey, I wish Mew was holographic. Mew does not get enough cred. He is amazing and literally the most powerful Pokemon ever. And then, of course, my guy Mewtwo. My guy, yeah, Mewtwo. Got shiny Mewtwo in this set. Be really nice. Ooh, another huge thing that has happened here on the channel. Not only do I want to give away 1,000, I don't know if y'all heard me earlier, $1,000 is what I want to give away when we hit 80 or 90,000 subscribers, and I want to let you guys pick what we're going to do. I would, like I said, prefer 90,000 because we're so close to 80. But I want to do that for you because I very much enjoy you and appreciate you. Reverse holographic wheezing and thanks. So anyway, I do have that, but really cool thing. One, Mr. Beast has commented on one of my videos. I'm gonna link that in the description just because I really would love to get that comment of his to like 4,000, 6,000 likes and comments. So just if you get time, let's make that comment his fire and maybe he'll come back to the channel. I think that'd be really cool. And I know a lot of you really enjoy him just like I do. So I think it'd be awesome. And one of my Mr. Beast videos, I bought everything in 5 stores, reacting to his video of that, literally has almost hit 1 million views. So that was really cool for the channel as well. Clefable and a reverse holographic Snake. Oh, come on now. We gotta kick it up a notch. We did get a cool shiny. I think the Magneton was cool. I know Jesse and James pretty decent, but that Magneton, that's the first one we've gotten, and I think it is super cool. So code card, Water Energy, Brock's Pewter Gem, is that Pewter? Yeah, Pewter Gem, Metapod, Giovanni's Exile, Clefairy, Caterpie, Ekans, Erica's Hospitality, and Wigglytuff GX. Okay, that's good. That's not bad. That's not bad. Let's see here. You know what I want to do? I really, really want to break one of my vintage boxes. Oh, I just have I gotta find a reason to do it and just make it worth it. And I want to pull some epic pulls. I want to pull some of my vintage stuff. I want to fight to get me a cool card from the past. I enjoy when we do all those other box breaks, but oh, what an awesome thing would be. Hey, there we go. We got a Wimpod right there, shiny, and we got an Arbok. Thanks, Arbok. Let's see here. Coming down to a few more packs. I really was excited about us getting the 1 million view video. I feel like I'm a 1 million view-inaire. There we go, 1 million view-inaire. That's what I am. I just thought it'd be really cool to have that, and just, you know, it just proves that you guys enjoy us, and I say us, but Kayla, always on the channel, all the people that are on the channel, but you really enjoy what we're putting out there, and I very much appreciate it. I think it is absolutely amazing, all the support you show. So once again, thank you again for 77,000 subscribers and growing. And hopefully one of these days we can get that silver play button. That would be cool. I'm gonna that'll be like an Oscar for me. I'd just be like, oh, I love it. It's so amazing. Let's see here. Paris Charmander, Cubone. Sorry about your mom. Giovanni's. Wait, is that not Exile? Yeah, Giovanni's Exile. The font was in his hair. And I haven't opened packs in a while, so I'm rusty. That is a beautiful card. Love that card. Kind of have a few of that card. So yeah, basically, Hidden Fate is one of the hardest sets to pull a Charizard. So I would go crazy if we can actually pull it right here, right now, in this video for you. Let's see here. Ooh, Carp. Geodude, Clefairy, Eevee. Oh, yes. Leafeon. Oh, wow, it's a Leafeon GX. Look how beautiful that card is. Full art shiny. That is a really, really quality card right there. Oh, my gosh. And very valuable. I love it. And we got a Mewtwo GX. Wow, what an awesome pack. We got Mewtwo GX and we got Leafeon. Boom. And both of these have been kicking butt from a Pokemon Go. Right there, just got one of my accounts to level 50, and then my other account is at level 40, and we just kind of hadn't been playing a whole lot lately. So, let's see here. 2 more packs. That was a great pack. That was awesome. Okay, so I'm feeling it. I am absolutely feeling it. So, ooh, Jinx, show me a Charizard. Eevee, Snake, Crab, Bug, Charmander, Lieutenant Surge's Strategy, and another Mew. I really like you, Mew, but you know, I would rather Mew be a Charizard. All right, so we got our legendary bird pack, okay? Let's see here. Let's see if the legendary birds can bring it home. Can they bring it home? But don't you worry. This might be our last pack, but we have the mystery box from Steve Aoki that I barely remember what I got in it because we've been holding it, been trying to make a video out of it, and boom, yeah, today's the day. Also, ooh, hold. I'm just going to show you Jesse and James because it's not that, you know. Anyway, so we're going to get those sleeved up. So let's go over our big pulls. We got Wigglytuff GX, we got Wimpod, we got Mewtwo GX, Giovanni's Exile, Jesse and James Full Art. We got Magneton Shiny, I think that's the cool one right there. Leafeon is a bad Mamma Jamma GX. And then we have our 3 Charizard promos, which are always great to have. So now let's get into, I will try to show you, let's get into this mystery box. All right, so let's break this open and see what we got. I know, because I don't have it in my possession, that this probably has one of the rarest things I've gotten from Steve. So let's see what's in here. So we got a really nice Steve Aoki Crossbones hat. That's pretty cool right there. I like it. I like it. Let's see, we got Steve Aoki gear right there. More Steve Aoki shirts. And that's a medium, so there's going to Kayla, all right? This would be a nice sleep shirt for her. Another Steve Aoki shirt right here. Awesome. Yeah, looks cool. XL, looks like it's for me. Well, yeah, these are going to Kayla, and I want to see her very large rump get up in this bump, right? Whatever. So those are, add one more of those. Yeah, I don't know. Whatever. I like it. And then, okay, yeah. Not going to show that one, but there's another shirt. Hey, look. I think we already have a pair of these. Yeah, we do. So some more Kill Bill pants. That's pretty cool. So some more Kill Bill pants. Oh, they're XLs, bro. I'm going to wear these. Yeah, we should do y'all comment below if you want me to do a leg reveal on these. That should happen. That right there. Those are cool. Pikachu pants. Alrighty. We got another shirt. Doesn't have the size in it. Looks pretty big. So right here, yeah, really cool. So another shirt. Always has a ton of apparel. Very nice stuff. Some Steve Aoki sunglasses right there. Yeah. And then this one right here, this is probably valued at about $1,000, maybe more. So this is something I've been wanting to put on my shelf for a while, but I knew it had to have been in this box because I hadn't gotten it. This is a graded, let me see if I can make that easier to see. So this is a graded and signed Steve Aoki cake, right? Because he's got his cake right there, right? Dimmock, right? And it's a beautiful graded PSA vinyl figure box right there. It's a pop box. That's awesome. Yeah. So very cool. Very, very, very cool, right? So you can see it from over there. And I'll bring this back down. So one more time, right there. That's going to go on the shelf. Love it. And then we got our cards from this pack. I'm assuming it's the Scyther that I'm missing. So let's see. All right, yep, so this was base set 2. And I'm assuming maybe base set. Let's see here. So we got, yeah, base set and base set 2. Pretty cool pack unboxing right here. I'm not really sure what I got, but you know me. Sometimes I don't get the best pulls. There was another Rattata, right? Rattata. That's signed by Steve. That will go great in more of our charity auctions. And I don't see a rare in here. They would have, of course, sealed it up. Let's see. Oh, here he is. No, that's not it either. Am I missing it? Oh, Scoop Up. What a terrible card. It doesn't even look like a rare. I forget Scoop Up's a rare. Let's see. Good old trainer cards. Trainer Nows are cool, but back then, not so cool. All right, so get that back in there. That's a waste of a base set. Base set pack art and the signed signature was the coolest part. And then right here, there he is. So there's Scyther, holographic. So another announcement that I have. So I didn't say this earlier in the video, but another announcement. And then you got a signed Bulbasaur. Yeah, look at that. I love it. So I am going to have some cards graded from Steve. We'll do a pack unboxing of those. And I needed to unbox this one because of the Scyther. So that's cool. Let's see if I got another holographic to send off to Uncle Steve, because the last time I did that video with him and all that stuff, he gave me and everybody else that participated in the packs, they gave us, looks like another bust of base set, Aoki Wartortle. They gave us grades per pack unboxing. So, yep, there is Imposter Oak. Meh. All right, last but not least, to send it off, another signed Bulbasaur. So no crazies there, right? No crazy pulls, but I got a Scyther to send off. So that being said, that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoy videos like this, please power up that like button, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. We're going to be running Pokemon videos that are from the past, but they are still epic with pulls, crazy eBay purchases, and a lot of unboxings that I know you're going to enjoy. We might even pull a Charizard in there. A little hint. Not sure which video it is, but it is possibly in there. All in all, don't ever forget that I 100% believe in you. I know you can do anything you set your mind to and never let anyone tell you differently. Like getting 1 million views on one video for YouTube or almost hitting 80,000 subscribers. Thank you so very much for all the support, and I will see you on the next one. All right, let's do it this way. Hey everybody, it's you can't even do it.